The harmonica part to Life is a Highway by Tom Cochrane. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Joe from HarmonicaJoe.com, where I provide high-quality, in-depth musical instruction for harmonica players. Now today we're going to be working on Life is a Highway by Tom Cochrane. I've had a few requests for this song, which brings up the point, if you have a certain song that you're working on or that you'd like me to cover, go ahead and put the name of it down in the comment section below, and I'll add it to my request list. Now Life is a Highway by Tom Cochrane is a fantastic song. Great guitar part in it. Harmonica-wise, there's not a whole lot going on, but it's really accessible for a beginner. So if you're just starting out in harmonica, this is a good way to get going. So to play this song, you're going to need a harmonica in the key of F. I'm using a Hohner Special 20 in the key of F. You can see it there, the obligatory harp harmonica shot there. We're playing in straight harp. In other words, the key of the song is in F. We're going to be playing our harmonica in the key of F. So our harmonica is going to be in the same key as the key of the song. So to play this song, there's three parts. So there's the introduction part before the vocal starts. Then there's a middle part of the song, and then he plays it again toward the end of the song. And I'll show you each section. Now I might add, it's kind of hard to hear the harmonica part in the mix of the song. I did the best I could, and I'm pretty sure I've got most of it. There might be an extra note somewhere hidden in there that I'm not hearing, but for the most part, if you even get close to this, you'll have the spirit of the song. So the beginning section sounds like this. That's pretty much it. So we're going to start with a blow on holes 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to slide all the way across the harmonica up to holes 7 and 8 and blow. And that's what those two holes sound like, 7 and 8. Now, if you're not sure of which hole that you're blowing through, what you can do is you can count backwards from hole number 10, which is the highest note on the harmonica, and just go back to hole 8. So just count down. And that's all you have to do. So it's easy to do that way. So we have, again, blow 1, 2, and 3 and slide all the way across the harmonica up to hole 7 and 8. So this is a good song if you're not real great at making single notes yet, because there are no single notes in this song. It's all, you're playing multiple notes, 2 notes and 3 note chords. From there, from the blows 7 and 8, we're just going to draw, which is suck the air in on those 2 holes, and then we're going to slide down to holes while we're drawing the air in. We're going to slide from 7 and 8 down to 6 and 7. Okay, and then we're going to blow 6 and 7. So that's the high part. All right, that's the first half of the introduction. And then we go down to holes 3 and 4, and we're going to draw our air in. We're going to slide down to holes 2 and 3. And then down to holes 1 and 2. Slide down again. Still drawing the air in. So it's just simply just drawing your air in and slide your harmonica across your lips. And that's the whole beginning section. So I'll put those two together, those two licks together. So that's the whole first section of the song, the introduction. Now the next section starts at 2 minutes and 36 seconds into the song. And he's kind of imitating the guitar part and he's going to be blowing on holes 2 and 3, and you're just going to be making it rhythmic. You can do it either with your tongue or you can do it with your air. Okay, that's all we're doing. And so he's going to go up holes 2 and 3, then up to holes 3 and 4, and then back to 2 and 3. Here, I'll demonstrate it for you. Okay, so we're going to go on holes 2 and 3. We're going to play 6 notes. Then we go up to one note. One time we're going to hit holes 3 and 4. And then back to holes 2 and 3 2 times. Okay, and then you repeat that whole thing all over again. And then he goes up to the high notes from the introduction, where it's slide up to blows 7 and 8, draw 7 and 8, and then slide down to 6 and 7, draw the air in, and then blow on 6 and 7. So that's that middle section together. So that's pretty much it. So the next section of the song starts at 4 minutes in, toward the end of the song, and it's kind of a little bit hard to hear, but this is what I gather from it. And that's how it starts. So you start on blow 6, and then you go slide up to blow 7 and blow 8. And you're just going to move the harmonica between the 2 notes. You're just going to shake between the 2 notes. Okay? If you get a little sloppy, that's probably okay. Do the best you can with it. Now these will be single notes. I'm not sure if he's playing single notes or if he's playing more than one note in there, but if you get an extra note in it, it's probably okay. We're going to start with a draw note on 6 and 7, and you're just going to go draw, blow, draw, blow, draw. And that's all you're going to do. This next section, after the shake, he's going to go back down to the lower section of the harmonica, and you're playing holes 2 and 3, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8 notes in a row. So you're going to draw on holes 2 and 3 8 times in a row, and it's going to have this kind of a rhythmic figure for it. Okay, and then we go up to holes 6 and 7 again, and we're going to draw, blow, draw, blow. Okay, and then we finish out with just holes 1, 2, and 3. We're going to start with a draw and then a blow. And then the song fades out. What we have then is that whole last section. Okay, so that's how to play the harmonica part to Life is a Highway by Tom Cochrane. If you like these types of videos, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell so that you'll be notified when I come out with some more videos. And leave a comment down in the comment section of what song you would like to work on it. I'm taking requests, and I'll see you on the next video.